Hey guys, welcome to Meal Prepping with Ben Sliwa. Today what we're going to do is we're going to make 5 meals for every day of the week for about $2 each, $10 total ingredients, and let's break it down. These are the ingredients you're going to need for it. Some canned corn, black beans, brown rice, I use the instant kind, garbanzo beans, and some grilled chicken, or I've been doing grilled sausage lately. It's kind of up to you. Everything here is good on the boards of calories, carbs, proteins, and fats.
Every meal that you eat each day of the week is going to be 680 calories, 94.2 grams carbs, 51.4 grams protein, and 10.1 grams of fat.
Which is pretty incredible, because when you compare that to what's recommended each day, of 2,000 calorie diet, you wanted 225 grams of carbs, 56 grams of protein, about 44 grams of fats. So this one meal you have a day, it's not only easy, it's not only cheap, but it's also good for you. So let's get going. First, you get your ingredients. You got your corn, you got your garbanzos, you got your black beans, you got your Insta rice, and that's your main course. I like to have a side of some carrots. Everyone has some carrots laying around, and maybe baby carrots. Who knows? I'm doing sausages, cheddar brats this time around, so I'll put those off to the side. First thing you do, easiest way you do it, is you get your pot, put 3 cups of water in there. There you go. You throw it on to boil. Get your bowl. Now you want to open up all the cans. I strain them together. I kind of throw them in the strainer at the same time. Wash them off, get the gunk, add them to the bowl. Go onto your bonzos. Boom, boom, wash, wash, wash. Good to go. Throw in your bowl there. End up with your corn. Finally got one of these dang pull tabs in there. Add it there. Now get it all mixed up. You want it good and variety, because you're going to split it between 5 days and you don't want to be too heavy in one direction. Then, while your water's still boiling, grab your carrots out. If you choose to do carrots for a side, if not, you can skip right past this. Cut your tops off, cut your bottoms off, your heads and your toes, as they say, I think. There's your water. Then you take your rice, shave off your carrots, get them all good to go. I dice them up like this. People ridicule me for it. I'm going to keep doing it. Rice is good to go. After about 5 minutes of boiling, follow directions on the box. Cut the rest of your carrots up, and I portion them out, 1 for each day. Do it right there, right then. Handful. I don't get too nitty gritty. Once it seems like that's what I'm going to like for the day, I go in 5 bags. You're good to go. 6th bag for my wife. Bulk it up from baby carrots if you want. Again, this is a side. If you don't want to do it, you don't do it. I'm fine with it. I'm not going to find you. Then you take bowls, your 5 days a week, and you start to write your beans and your corn. Evenly divide it out. I don't get too specific. I'm letting the rice cool. That's what I'm doing. Let's prepare sausages. Get them all on the plate. I like to grill them. You could do them on the stovetop. I take them out and do them on the propane grill. Your rice is ready to go. This is something I stopped doing lately, but you can still do it. You part the middle, you put some butter in there for a little bit of flavoring, but you do some butter, maybe here's some peppers, onion powder, or oregano, pepper. Stir it all up, good to go. Take your containers, and again, I don't measure out, I just do 1 scoop of each. And then I back up and do 1/2 scoop each, and I just eyeball it until it's all out. Stir it up, because you're going to want to stir it up for later. Take your sausages, grill them, ding. Now I chop them, this is how you make it last. You chop them right down the middle. This is 2 packs of sausage for the week. You do 1 pack. You could do grilled chicken too. I do maybe about a pound of chicken. You dice them up once they're in halves. Got little quarters. Put them off to the side, and then the same thing. You're just going to take a handful, and then kind of even it up. That's it. There's no exact things to it. Lid them up. I put the lids on right away because I kind of like the heat from them to kind of give them a little more cooking. You don't have to. That's a preference. You get your carrots on there. I also do eggs for a side too. You boil them in a pot. Some people cover it. There are a little salt to it. The trick is, once they're boiling, boil them for about 10 minutes. There's your thing. Subscribe for more. Click if you like it. The ingredients are about $10. It's all really good, healthy for you. Not only is it easy, but it's healthy for you. And I take that to work every day. I've been eating consistently for about four months now. I'm not sick of it. I throw some salsa on the top too, and it's good for you. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and we'll see you later.